In this video, I will show you how to give the movement to the player. Go to the hierarchy and right-click. Go to 3D Object, create a plane. Reset the transform. Increase the size on plane in Z-axis. Now create a capsule. Reset the transform. Make the camera little higher in Y-axis. Go to the Asset folder and create a material for ground. Create another material for player. You can change your color of your game object using material. Rename the plane to ground. Rename the capsule to player. Drag the ground material to ground, and drag the player material to player. Now change the color of the respective material. Increase the capsule to the ground surface. Go to the player, add a character controller. Now go to the asset and create a new C# script. Name it Player Controller. Controller variable for character controller. Direction variable for vector. Speed variable for movement speed. Under the Start function, getting character controller component. Go to Update function, giving the speed in Z direction. Now create a fixed update function to moving continuously. Save and get back to Unity. Drag the player controller script to the player. Give the speed. Yeah, it's working perfectly. In next video, I will show you how to give left and right movement to the player. If you enjoy this video, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.